Obviously, as designers, we do many things. We can do basically a pair of curtains right down to a full renovation of a house or a commercial building. So, and there's a whole spectrum in between as well that we can do. Mm-hmm. So if you're looking just for somebody just to, make your lounge slightly better, then as designers, we can do that. We can do curtains, we can do cushions, we can do a bit of wallpaper. But really, an interior designer is much more technically minded than that. So we tend to go more towards full renovations of houses, taking them almost back to brick, which I've done many times, taking it so we just have a shell. And then from there, we can build it back up again. We can put in walls, we can put in doors, we can put in windows, and think about the whole of the space rather than just one individual room.